Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Sainte-Luce is a charming little village nestled along the shores of the St. Lawrence River, in the beautiful Gaspé Peninsula, Quebec. This peaceful community is well known for its stunning waterfront views, colorful homes, and laid-back atmosphere. One of the highlights of Sainte-Luce is its lovely boardwalk. It stretches along the bay, offering breathtaking views of the water. As you walk, you'll notice unique wooden sculptures created by local artists, and signs sharing fascinating stories about the area. There are also plenty of spots to sit, relax, and enjoy the sea breeze. Behind the village's small church, you'll find a Celtic cross that serves as a memorial for the tragic shipwreck of the Empress of Ireland. This event in 1914, just off the coast, remains one of Canada's worst maritime disasters, with over 1,000 lives lost. Sainte-Luce is also a gateway to nearby adventures. Just a short distance away, you can visit Bic National Park, known for its scenic trails, rocky beaches, and unique wildlife. For history buffs, the lighthouse at Pointe-au-Père is a must-see. It features a maritime museum that delves into the history of the Empress of Ireland, and even a retired submarine you can explore. With its natural beauty, rich history, and warm, welcoming vibe, Sainte-Luce is truly a hidden gem of the Gaspé Peninsula.
watching.